What's up, you guys? I'm Trace.
I'm Blake.
We're on the Van Metro station, and we are currently recording in Brooklyn. And behind us is New York City. We have some pictures from a few nights ago from when we went out partying to celebrate our arrival to New York City, so check it out.
My motives were always to let you go. Your heart is pumping, the beat fills the walls. This conversation is just to watch you fall. I still turn you on. This is your last chance to get some. Feeling you going around me, you're breaking me down. Live on, live on, live on, come on, get out. Live on, live on, live on, come on, get out. You hold your ground, come on, give up this fight. The sun's down, so you let me stay the night.
Keep checking our page for more updates.
Thank you, guys.
Body somehow gets so near.